Air pollution. Human beings are continuously contaminating air by releasing poisonous gases from the factories, power stations, burning fuels, etc. The contamination of air with unwanted things is called air pollution. Breathing polluted air can lead to respiratory diseases such as asthma, bronchitis, etc. How can air pollution be prevented? Factories should use filters in chimneys before releasing the fumes in air. We should avoid burning anything which releases harmful gases in the atmosphere. Water. Life would not be possible without water on Earth. Water is essential for many day-to-day activities. Many things dissolve in water. Hence, water is called the universal solvent. Impurities in water. Water contains two types of impurities: soluble impurities and insoluble impurities. Soluble impurities are impurities like salts and minerals. Insoluble impurities are impurities like mud, twigs, etc. that do not dissolve in water. It is essential to purify the water before consuming it so that you do not fall ill. Potable water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. It is safe for drinking. Boiling. The simplest method to purify water is by boiling it. Boiling water for 10 minutes kills the germs present in it and makes it safe for drinking. Chlorination. Water is safe for consumption by adding chlorine to it. Chlorine kills germs present in water. The process of purifying water by adding chlorine is called chlorination.